What's really good, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo's back at it. How y'all doing? I hope you're doing great. You know what I'm saying? This 2013 Mini Cooper Countryman. Alright. And I'm gonna show you how to tune it up. Change the spark plugs. Alright. I told you it was Countryman. Yeah, 2013 Mini Cooper Countryman. And like I said, I'm gonna show you how to do the spark plugs. Before I get into the action, please don't forget to support the channel. Know what I'm saying? Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Click the bell button. Know what I'm saying? So every time I upload new content, you're gonna be the first one to know it. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Alright. Any thoughts, anything you have in mind, put in the comment box. And as soon as I see it, I'm gonna reply. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for support. And the other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. You know what I'm saying? Watch the whole ad, don't skip it. Watch the commercials. They last for between 5 to 10 seconds. Watch it all, don't skip it, and that's how you're gonna support the channel. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's get it. Let's do this tune up. Nah, me. Axtuo, burum. Alright, we open the hood. Hood is open. Just lift this. Just like that. I'm saying, bye-bye, Mini. Now you see the 4 spark plugs, right? Now all you're gonna do is, let me give you some light. Pull this up, okay? And this, push it like this, like this. I'm saying, now keep pushing it. Now remove the connector. I'm saying, now do the same with all this, the other 3. Fuck, I got some in my eye. Hold on. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna do the same, you know what I'm saying? Now, just gonna wiggle it like that. Yeah, do the same here. Wiggle and pull it up. Yeah, this one looks funny. What's over here? What you think about that? What that is? Put in the comment box. Let me know what you think. Alright. There, this guy. Wiggle it. This one is different. Connector right there. Spark. Wiggle this one too. There you go. Ooh, that one look a little bit rusty down there. Different from the other ones. Alright, so if you see the spark plugs, you have like, what is that, 12 corners or whatever, 12 angles. You're gonna use something like this. It's a 14 millimeter. Okay. That's the same for that fucker down there. I'm gonna use extension. These are 3/8, by the way, huh? Here. Yep. Now look. What I usually do is I just break it loose. You know what I'm saying? Now I call this one Yu-Gi-Oh! Because I get the assist. You know what I'm saying? That's a Yu-Gi-Oh. This is champion. Champion. Old one, new one. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna use the assist for all these faults. This one looks a little bit wet. Wet. This one looks alright. This one, the last one. Know what I'm saying? So look at that. Hey guys, face this way. Let me know what that means. 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 Put in the comment box for me. Don't shit. Don't make me start. Alright, don't make me start. I'm not a rapper. Okay, you see the vibes. This is the part number for the new spark plugs 1212229369. With Baidu. It's the part number here. There's the part number Z332. Already gap 2.7 millimeter, torque to 20 Newton. Okay, for those specification torque freaks. Alright, we're just gonna put it like this, but we wanna tell the assist to stand by because you don't want to use the gun to put it back. Do it by hand. Alright, you just use the assist when you remove it, just to make it faster. That's what I'm saying. Once it's tied by hand, go to the next one, on to the next one, on to the next one. Go down. Okay, where was I? Yeah, putting this thing there. I'm gonna do it by hand until it gets tight. I'm saying, it sounds like a mouse. Should be fine. Okay, I'm gonna do the next one. That pop. I could do it with the assist, but I don't know. I'm just okay. That's fine. Next one. Little gap. Okay, last one. Okay, now putting this guy's back. Okay, go just like that. But just like that. That's it. Eat. Next one. Give you a better angle. Just like that. Get it. There. Kitty. This one. We're almost there, guys. You can do it. You can put it right there. Pop, like that, and push it in. And then, like that, easy. They call me the easy man. Oops, sorry. Put it right there, like that. Pop, push it down. Just right down there. Go. Pretty much it, yep. Just put the cat back. Just like that. Good girl. Just close the hood now. Mini. 13, I'm telling you. Now you just gotta pray so the car to start. Step on the gas. Press the start button. Money. There you go. Woo! Vroom. That's it. I'll shut it down real quick just to give shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Where would I be without you? Yummy. And this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Alright. If you have any questions, put in the comment box. You know the deal. And I'm gonna say it again. Please support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Shout outs to my subscribers again. Hit the bell button so every time I upload new content to this channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Other than that, like this video, share this video. Like I said, the feedback, put in the comment box. As soon as I see it, I reply. Support the channel by watching the whole ad, propaganda, commercial, advertisement, advertise, same thing. Watch it all, alright? They last between 5 to 10 seconds, know what I'm saying? It's like TV, know what I'm saying? It's like TV, but in your cell phone, in your tablet, computer, laptop, know what I'm saying? It's like TV. Watch the commercials, alright? Take a break sometimes, know what I'm saying? It's good for you, know what I'm saying? And that's how you support the channel. Watch the whole ad, don't skip it, alright? I would appreciate it. And I leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Catch me in the next one. Axtuo, Burum. I'm out.